Mohammad Nabi, the new man. That's what can happen. Okay, you throw the gauntlet down and Mohammad Nabi says, you know what, I've seen this game before. Not my first.
Well, that's thrashed for 4. It was full in length. And goodness me, Nabi hits the ball hard, doesn't he? That field.
10 seconds. And if after that
Sector is driven and
5.
Driven with real style as always by Mohammad Nabi. Going to be a boundary.
Be back.
So I wish good afternoon, maybe an early good evening to Ahmed Fadai.
Yeah, absolutely. That was a good shot.
Still have time, batting card and the short wickets.
Looking for boundaries.
Now, not out of the middle of the bat, and that is a gift for Afghanistan. Previous over, he belted Mohammad Nabi for a 6. The difference, mid-off, was inside the ring. This time, Nabi had his man sweeping in the deep. Sterling.
That's pretty adjacent. Up goes the finger this time. Good bowling for Nabi. Really good stuff. He's got a smile on his face now. Not so much a couple of balls ago, but now bring it to you. Oops, that's pumped up and that's out. That's another wicket. They didn't need that, Ireland. Nabi's on fire here. That's his third. He's now got 3 for 12. That is a big wicket.
Knocks him over. Nabi takes his 4th. And Afghanistan just 2 wickets away.
Nabi is the player of the match.
Bowled! And Nabi takes a 5 for the first time in one-day international cricket. What a performance from him. It really has been exceptional. And he's hammering those.
Congratulations. Mubarak. Dear Mubarak sahab. 5 wicket the awal dafa nadiwalu lobo ke se asas larai.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, it's really happy to perform at that kind of condition. We took 5 wickets, and after a long time, yeah, around been 17 to 18 years ODI cricket, and first at the end we took 5 wickets. Yeah, really happy.
I think the momentum came with the wicket of Paul Sterling. How did you set him up? After being hit for a maximum, you didn't back away. You set him up and he gave away his wicket.
Yeah, a ball just line and a length. Just saw him in the first over. He came and hit a 6, and in the next over I told Ibrahim that I have put back mid off and bowled wicket to wicket. Maybe we will get some wicket. And again he a little bit mistake. Yeah.
Did you miss on your half century?
Yeah, I tried to. I didn't think on my 50. I try put some score on the board for a big total on the for my team. That's why I hit a little bit harder at that time. Yeah.
Well, congratulations, brilliant performance. It's payamlare watanwaluta.
Na manana toluta la tashwikna har waqt tashwik kadiyo aw la duagana aw roza tolu mubarak.